This morning for breakfast we decided we wanted some pancakes, but we wanted something that was just a little bit different than what we normally make. So today we're going to make some light and fluffy Japanese pancakes. Let's go ahead and get started. In this mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1 large egg. Now there's only 2 of us, so we're not exactly making a lot of mix. So if you have a family of 4, I would double this. We're going to mix that up just a little bit. We're going to add 1/8 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of buttermilk, and then we're also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla. The vanilla gives you a lot of extra flavor if you use pure, or like I've read on some bottles, pure imitation. So give that a nice mix. Now while that's going, I'm going ahead, I've got a non-stick skillet on the stove. I want to turn that onto low, probably about a 3 to 4 on the scale, so medium low, and we're going to let that start heating up just a tad bit. Alright, now we got that mixed up. We're going to add our flour. We've got 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. 1/8 the teaspoon of salt. I really shouldn't do that over the bowl. 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda. And 1/2 a teaspoon of baking powder. And like with most pancakes, you just want to mix this until it's just, everything's just coated. You don't want to overmix. Alright, that looks good. Alright, now over to our stove. Alright, in our stove here, to make these Japanese pancakes, they're going to be nice and light and fluffy. So we're going to take a cookie cutter, and we're going to take this and we're going to spray the inside of it with a non-stick cooking spray. Get any excess off so it doesn't hurt your pan. Take that and we're going to stick it in the center of our pan. And we're going to fill this ring halfway up. We want these to be nice and tall. Right, and now we're just going to let this start cooking. Alright, if you take a look at it, it's been just a few minutes. It's already come to the very top of our ring there, and you'll begin to see a few bubbles that's beginning to come up. Kind of like what your normal pancakes do. Whenever the bubbles start coming up on the side, then they're ready to flip, or we're ready to flip this pancakes. We're going to take our spatula there, stick it there underneath it, and quickly turn it over. Alright, and now we're just going to cook this for just a few more minutes to make sure that we get it cooked all the way through. Alright, our pancake is done. And you can tell it's done. If you look closely here, you're going to notice around these edges that it has actually pulled away from the edges of the cookie ring. So we're going to take our plate. All the way. Pull our pancake off. And there we go. We have a nice, thick, fluffy Japanese pancake.